Hello and welcome. This week I'm finishing off this beast, and while it was working, as you saw on that 1 minute short last week, I wasn't very happy with the sound of it. So I've put a new speaker in it, one of these J-Car Response 6.5-inch car speakers, and while it's improved the sound somewhat, it's still not how I want it to sound. I've had to replace this valve. It was very tired, and I put a new old stock 6v6 in it, as you'll see, and well, it's improved somewhat, but I think the Bluetooth adapter is putting out too much power and clipping. So I'll have to take it apart, which is a right royal pain in the... Yeah, so this is a very short video as I catch up. My right eye is improving all the time. I can see out of it now at least. So on with the video. Okay, so I'll play a bit of music through it because the Bluetooth is done. This is the jumper for the radio, so it's just running into the phono input. So this is the car speaker I'm putting in, and the holes match up exactly with the old holes, not these outer ones. Not quite sure why they put those outer ones there, because they're on all the sets that I have and they don't seem to do very much, but anyway, so this is it. The board is fairly flat. These, of course, sag because they're at this angle and the weight of the magnet and the transformer. This is a much bigger magnet and it's quite a bit heavier, so I don't know how long that's going to last in that form. So this is the one I've taken out, and it's got quite a bit of damage around the edge, but it is repairable. So I have repaired the holes in the centre, or the, not on the very edge, but yeah. It looks like someone has made an extension lead for this. Perhaps the wires were broken or eaten or something like that when it was extensively repaired. So it has this plug on it. This one's from January, or 13th of January 1948, and this is serial number 009 or 009 or something like that. So this just looks like a valve base. well, it is a valve base, and they've just used 3 wires on it. This is out of another wrecked one of many I have, or 4 I have, and it has the connector on it, but as you can see, it is completely eaten away. Now I probably could get a another cone for this, but I'm not quite sure it's worth it. But what I am going to do is try and take the output transformer off of this one and use it for the new speaker.